Tony, um grande prazer poder te receber aqui na NetGlobe. Nós gostaríamos de saber como que a Yalink está olhando para o mercado brasileiro. Vocês têm feito um trabalho muito focado no mercado brasileiro. Quão importante é o mercado do Brasil para a Yalink?
Okay, so first of all, it's great pleasure to be here with NetGlobe. And regarding the market in Brazil, we see it's a huge potential as Brazil is one of the biggest country in Latin America. But we see that the technologies in Brazil remain to improve, and that is the main intention for Yalink to bring to Brazil, as we are one of the main manufacturers worldwide to very focus on the unified communications, and we believe that in the near future, and that is what we are doing right now, that we are going to bring a very good solutions for unified communications to Brazil, and we need to grow. We need to leading the innovations in Brazil with our partners, and we hope that NetGlobe for sure you will be, and we will be a very good partnership to develop the market altogether.
Tony, a pandemia mudou muito o nosso mercado. O mercado pós-pandemia é um outro mercado. E a partir de agora o que a gente tem visto é uma aceleração muito grande das plataformas e a necessidade das empresas, né, por utilizar a tecnologia de videoconferência de uma forma ainda mais democrática, mais ampla no mercado. Como que a Yalink vê esse mercado pós-pandemia?
Thank you, Renato. So for sure, the pandemic changed a lot. So, and the people are looking for many new solutions in the market. And one of the best things that from our side that we can do is the partnership between Yalink and all the main platform like Microsoft Teams, like Zoom, like Google. So what we see after the pandemic, people are remote working, they're working from home. So in these scenarios, they need more solutions which can supporting them for this kind of scenario, working scenario, right? So the intention from our side is to be very close relationship with all partners like Microsoft, Zoom, Google, and develop more solutions that exactly right products for the customers. So that is what we see from the future, and I believe that this trend will continue. And what we are doing is to developing the new solutions for all the customers in Brazil.
Tony, nós aqui na NetGlobe estamos super felizes com a parceria com a Yalink, um grande parceiro. Vocês têm feito um trabalho excepcional de desenvolvimento, de melhoria dos produtos. E este momento é um momento que a gente tem uma expectativa muito positiva, né, de fazermos negócios juntos e ajudarmos os clientes com ótima solução e ótimo serviço. A NetGlobe, como especialista, com serviços profissionais, e a Yalink fornecendo grandes tecnologias. Qual a sua expectativa para a nossa parceria?
Thank you, Renato. Yes, you are right. The partnership is always something that Yalink is looking for. So from our side as a vendor, we are developing the solutions and the products, but we need more arms to deliver our products to the end users, right? So we are always looking forward a very good partner, and what we see that NetGlobe could bring this win-win situation, right? Cooperation, and we believe that the NetGlobe is one of the key players in the market who really deliver the values to the clients, not just the products. So that is what we see the benefit that we could work together to offer a very good solution, a very good service to the client. So I believe that in the future, and finally we are launching our partnership between Yalink and NetGlobe, and for sure we will do much more business from now on, and to serve the market better. Yeah, that is what we see from the relationship between Yalink and NetGlobe in the future.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
Tony, uma das preocupações da Yalink é ter sempre produtos certificados, uma linha completa de equipamentos e sempre trabalhar com parceiros, nunca diretamente, e ser uma empresa que está liderando as novas features, né, que nós estamos presenciando nos equipamentos, né, de videoconferência. Como que vocês têm trabalhado tudo isso?
Yeah, thank you, Ronaldo. Yes, it's very important to mention that the partnership between Yealink and all these main platforms like Microsoft and Zoom and Google, right? And one very important point that Yealink has a very complete portfolio for UC scenario, for unified communications. We certified almost every products that from Yealink side to be native certified by Microsoft Teams, okay, including the video conference solutions and the desktop IP phones and also the handset. Yealink is intended to be one of the main players in the market who offer one-stop solution, which means you can come to Yealink and buy everything, almost everything that you need for unified communications, okay? And in terms of the features, in terms of the technologies, and actually Yealink is leading to develop all together with these main partners, Microsoft Teams and Zooms and Googles. So we always bring new features and even very unique features just from Yealink. We want to be very competitive in the market. And for sure, in order to deliver all these technology and products, we need partners. And it's very important to mention that we only working with partners. We never sell directly. So because we believe that the partners will bring the value to this cooperation, and we could offer a total solutions to the client. So this is how Yealink works in Brazil, and we will continue investing in this area to be one of the main players in the market.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
So, Tony, thank you very much.
Thank you, Ronaldo. A great pleasure to be here to join this event, and we hope that, and we do believe that in the near future, there will be very great success between Yealink and NetGlobe.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.